Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe. Today showing you around this Audi A3 1.5 TFSI 35S line Sportback. Finished in sleek black and powered by 1.5 litre petrol engine, delivering 150 PS paired with manual transmission. This A3 offers responsive handling and a sporty yet composed drive. This S-Line model stands out with LED headlights, S-Line bumpers and aluminium window trims. The sleek silhouette is enhanced by sporty body styling, while the privacy glass adds a touch of mystery and class. Completing the look are 18-inch dynamic design alloy wheels, which add visual impact from every angle. Around the back, the LED rear lights with dynamic indicators and subtle roof spoiler reflect Audi's attention to detail. And the boot offers plenty of room for daily needs or weekend escapes. Thanks to flexible 40-20-40 split folding rear seats, you can expand the space for bulkier items without compromising passenger comfort. Rear passengers are treated to premium finishes with sculpted sports seats, center armrests with cup holders and air vents for added comfort. Isofix mounting points make fitting child seats effortless and secure. Step into the cabin and you are greeted by dark aluminium inlays, black cloth headlining and illuminated S-logo door sills. The front sport seats offer exceptional support, while the stainless steel pedals and flat bottom wheel hint at the car's dynamic personality. Directly ahead, the 10.25-inch Audi virtual cockpit presents crisp, configurable information to keep you informed with minimal distraction. You also get dual-zone electronic climate control, which ensures you and your passengers enjoy personalized comfort. And the infotainment system allows you to enjoy clear DAB audio and seamless media streaming, as well as offers Audi smartphone interface, which integrates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get the MMI Navigation Plus, which offers real-time guidance with crystal clear graphics, as well as the car menu, allowing you to personalize lighting, locks and other convenience settings. Audi Drive Select, allowing you to switch between modes to optimize comfort or sportiness, and other settings such as driver assist settings to customize lane assist, parking sensors and more. In other settings you can adjust displays, alerts and personal preferences. The voice control system adds a hands-free touch of sophistication too. This has been a presentation of the Audi A3 1.5 TFSI 35S line Sportback. For more information or to arrange a test drive, give us a call today.